Okay, some homework hints here for you guys. If somebody around you can help you, that will be far better than me in a video trying to explain what questions you might have. And depending on who your sub is, they might be able to help you, maybe not. So let somebody around you know if you need something. If that's not an option, gladly watch this video. Maybe this will help you out here. Um, Number four, a two-step equation. It's been a little while since we've done these. Draw the highway. First thing you do is you undo addition or subtraction. So subtract 4 first, then divide by -2. Don't flip the equal sign. That's not what we're doing today. That's flipping the inequality. Okay. Let's see. When you get to this one, distribute the 3 first. Take 3 times x, get 3x. 3 times -1 gives you -3. So 3x minus 3 equals 18. Solve that thing from there. Similar to what we did before. Subtract the 50 first, multiply by 4. Got to get a common denominator here. Then we're just graphing them. Multiply by 9. Don't flip the sign because the 4 is a negative. It's the 9 you're multiplying by each side. Same thing there. No need to flip the sign. Let's talk about this one. Your $9.20 per hour to summer job. Identifying inequality represents the number of P hours you can work to earn enough money to buy a smartphone that costs $300. Okay, so you need $299. Do you need less than $299? That doesn't make sense. You need more than $299. So that works. You're not making $299 per hour. That doesn't make any sense. This is the same as B, okay, as far as the inequality and the equals $299. You got to figure out, do you make $9.20 per hour? So would you take your 9 hours, if you work 9 hours in a day, would you divide that by 9, make about $1? Or would you multiply it by 9 and make about 81 bucks? Okay, so this is your answer. Then, whoops, down here. Then you got to solve it yet. So draw your highway, solve it. 14, first one where you have to divide by a negative. When you divide by a negative, you flip the sign. So change that sign right there from a less than or equal to a greater than or equal to. A lot of negatives are going to come up. This is not h minus 1/3. This is negative 1/3 times h. So you keep change flip, -3/1. You -3/1 on the other side, and you multiply it. The 3's, the 1's, they all cancel. The inequality flips from a greater than to a less than or equal to, and h is less than or equal to -24. Okay. Let's see, similar quotient, answer to a division problem. Easiest way to write that is just g over 4. Quotient of a number g and 4. G divided by 4 is at most. So think about what that means. The most it could possibly be 5, so less than or equal to. More of the same, more of the same. Read this one. I think once you read it, you will understand what it needs to be. It needs to drop below -20. So the temperature over here needs to be below -20. Okay. The area has to be greater than or equal to 120. So the length times the width has to be greater than or equal to 120. And that's the end of your homework. If there's something you can't figure out, by all means, skip it, save it for Thursday. I'll be back on Thursday. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Thanks. See ya.